Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can set a photo as a wallpaper on your iPhone. What you need to do is just go to your photos, and you can select any of your photo, and after selecting any of photo, I recommend you to use this option. Just tap on it, three lines here, and after going to the three lines, you see that there's an adjust option. Just tap on the adjust option, and you see that it will auto grade the color and enhance the photo. As you see that there's an auto option, you just need to tap on it and it will automatically enhance the colors. You just need to press the done button, and after doing this, it will automatically increase the colors of your photo. Now to set it as a wallpaper, you see that on the bottom left corner, the option here, you just need to tap on it, and after tapping on it, just swipe down, and there's an option use as a wallpaper option. Just tap on it, and after doing this, you see that the photo will come to your wallpaper, and now you can actually adjust it. You need to use your two fingers to see if how you want to adjust your photo on your wallpaper. By doing this, you can actually reduce or zoom out the photo, and I'm just moving my hand to show you how you can actually adjust your photo. And like this, by actually expanding your image, it is actually zooming in, and moving it around, you can actually adjust it like this. Just like this, you can actually set your home screen or photo, and by doing this like this, these are the built-in filters you can put over it, and that's how you can actually set your photo wallpaper, just like this. And by tapping on the add option, select wallpaper as a pair, and now it will actually put the photo into your wallpaper or home screen, something like this. Okay, so that's how you can actually set a photo as a wallpaper on your iPhone. I hope this video actually helped out in setting your photo or adjusting your photo into your iPhone. I hope this helped you out. Until next video, bye bye.